Hello, I'm Paul DeWinter with AEA Technology, and today we're going to be talking about the 2020 TDR. In this segment, we're going to cover measuring a coax cable using AEA Technology's 2020 Step TDR. We have connected the coax cable to the top of the TDR. The TDR can have different connectors in it. This one is a network, F network one. It has an RJ45 for doing any of four of the twisted pairs and a 4-pair cable, and an F connector for doing 75 ohm coax. In this case, we've added an adapter to go to BNC, but it also comes with a BNC connector and F, or just the BNC alone, or an N connector alone. With the cable connected, the next step in the process is to ensure that we have the right input channel selected by going to the F4 menu and looking at the bottom where it says channel selection. It should be on coax to ensure that the coax input is channeled to the TDR. Next, we want to make sure we have the right cable selected. The cable we're using is a 50 ohm RG174 cable, and if you note in slot 0 is the RG174 cable. We'll select it by pressing enter, and it will confirm the cable at the bottom and return to the measurement screen. Now on the measurement screen we have a scale from 0 to 100 ohms. The cable starts out at 50 ohms and primed slightly with the loop resistance added in, and along the bottom is the length measurement and the cursor information. The cursor is shown at the end of the cable right now where it's open. The open is demonstrated by a sharp upward deviation in the impedance trace, and if I were to short the end of the cable, as I'm doing here, you will see the trace goes down to 0 ohms at the bottom, or a sharp downward turn in the trace. Additionally, the piece of RG174 that we're using today has a defect that we built into it. 1/8 of an inch of the shield is missing, and a 1 ohm resistor has been inserted. And I'll take the cursor back to the left and show that defect to you. It appears quite clearly on here. At 50 feet and 8 inches, there is a deviation right there indicating the 1 ohm gain from the resistor.